Hi students, how are you all? I am very happy to meet you through this video session. This is S. Naveen Kumar, your computer science teacher from Bardasnar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now we are going to see 11th standard computer application subject, chapter number 6, Introduction to Word Processor. In this chapter, today we are going to see the concepts of text formatting. Before we are entering into this concept, now I recap the previous session. What are the concepts we have discussed previously? Editing the document. What is the meaning of document? Document means a paper. That paper consists of a text. That text, either it may be a textbook text or a question paper, whatever it may be. Okay, and that as such proof is also a document. And moving and copying text. Moving and copying text means, what is it? Moving a text means the content should be present only in the source place, okay, and as well as destination place, that is called copying text. Suppose if the content only present in the destination place means it is called moving text. That moving means that is called edit cut. Edit is the menu and you can use the shortcut Control plus X. Suppose you are copying the text means you can use the shortcut Control plus C and selecting the text. You can select the text using either it may be a keyboard or mouse. Now we are going to see the concepts of text formatting. Why we want to make a text as format? Because we want to see the text as a clearly, or it is a gossip manner, that means which is used for attracting the reader. We are doing a text formatting, it will attracting the reader. For text formatting and changing the case. What is the meaning of changing the case? Changing the case means either it may be a capital letter means it should be changed as a small letter. If it is present in small letter means it should be changed as a capital letter. This is called a toggle case. And next one is sentence case and uppercase and lower case. Your selected text fully focused on what? That means you can select a lower case option means it fully focused on the changed as small cases, that is small letters. And clear the formatting. What is the meaning of clear the formatting? After you are finishing the formatting option, you can entirely rechange that in original form, that is called clear formatting. You can use the shortcut as Control plus M. These concepts are explained practically now. Today we are going to see text formatting. What is the meaning of text formatting? What is the meaning of text? In this example, in this we have a text. What is the text? That is, for example, Bharatidasanar is a text because it is a group of character. So the group of character is called as a text. Here there is any formatting. What is the meaning of formatting? Generally we want to change the originality, that gives attraction to the viewers. Okay, that is called text formatting. Here any attraction is there in the document? No, there is no attraction is there. So we are going to do some attraction, that is called text formatting. Why we want to give some attraction? Because that gives a monotonous appearance. What is the Tamil meaning for monotonous? That is similar, ஒரே மாதிரியான, the same. Here is a monotonous appearance. In this monotonous appearance, it not attract the viewer, attract the reader. So we want to attract the reader, we are doing some text formatting options. What are the basic text formatting options are there? We want to make a text formatting as 3 basic steps. Is we want to make a text as bold, italic, underline. For example, you want to change the text as bold means you can select a particular text. Either you want to select a text using a keyboard or mouse, whatever it may be, but you want to select a text and click a bold icon or use the shortcut Control plus B. That text may be as bold. And italic icon, what happened? That text should be as in slanting, that is italic, that should be a slanting, little bit slanting. You want to make a text as underline means you can click U or control U shortcut, or you can click underline icon. Suppose you want to remove that underline, means again you can select that particular content and click again underline icon, or you can use the shortcut as control plus U. The underline should be removed. Okay, this is the basic formatting option. What is the basic formatting option? That basic formatting options are bold, italic, underline. Now we are going to see change the font size and font style and font color. For example, what is the font? The characters are typed something. Here the text is a font. Text formatting is also a font. For example, I want to change the text formatting string. Here using these, all the formatting options are comes under only the format menu. Click format and click character or a paragraph. You can click a character. Here character dialog box will be appear on a screen. You want to change the font style. For example, you can select any font style. Okay, look like this. Here you are selecting any font. The difference should be displayed here in that below box. Okay, you want to select any font, any type. Okay, everything should be different. Okay, and you want to change the type, that is maybe a bold, or it may be a bold italic and only italic, or only regular. I want to set as a bold italic, and then this is the font font size. Want to increase the font size 20 or 22, and then click OK, means the applications are applied. What has happened here? The font size and font style may be changed. Now we want to change the font color also. Here we can use the icon. Here you can use the icon also. This is used to change the font color. For example, I want to apply the color as red. That is also applied. This is the simplest procedure for changing the font style and font size and font color. Here we want to use the, what is that? We want to use menu also, format menu in character option. In that, character dialog box will be appear. Here you want to check a font effects and position and hyperlink. Hyperlink means we can click and that is move to a next. You want to set a background color, that is the highlighting. For example, yellow color, I want to set a background for that particular. Here this is the highlighting. Here this is the shortcut is, you can use the icon. This is the highlighting icon, which is used to apply the highlighting, which is used to give the reader, improve the reader ability and improving the reading ability. Okay, this is the basic formatting. What are the concepts we have discussed now? Text formatting, changing the font size, changing the font style, changing the font color. Next we want to change the font case. Case means either it may be uppercase or lowercase. We want to change the sentence case also. Sentence case means the first letter should be in caps. That is the sentence case. For example, I want to change the case. How we can change the case? Uppercase and lowercase sentence case. How we can change? You can use a format menu and select the option change case. In that format menu you can option change case. In this lowercase means all the characters should be in small letter. Suppose format menu change case option, all the characters must be in uppercase, means all the characters are capital letters. And format menu change case, toggle case means capitalize every word, means every word first letter. Here changing, C is the capital, THE, the T is the capital, font F is the capital. So every character, every word of first character should be changed as a capital. And toggle means what are the characters should be in first, and that what are the characters should be in caps, that should be changed as small. That is we can see now. format, change case, toggle case. Toggle case, what are the characters are in caps, that should be changed as small, and what are the characters are in small, that should be changed as what? Capital. Very good. Again, format, change case, toggle case means this should be changed into normal, and format, change case is the sentence case means only the first letter of that character only in caps, the remaining should be a smaller. Okay, these are the, what is that? These are the changing a case. Next one is highlighting the text. How? Already you know how highlighting the text. Again we can see using the icon. For example, main page you want to highlight, you want to select that content, and this is the highlighting icon. Click on that highlighting icon. You want to change the color also. If you want to change some other color means here that should be changed for a particular paragraph, a single paragraph also. Okay, you want to change some other color means no fill means it should be an empty. Okay, this is the way for changing the font size and changing the font style and changing the font color and highlighting the text and changing the case. Are you clear, children? We have attached the study material and self-assessment question paper in the below description. You can go through it and evaluate yourself with the help of the self-assessment question paper. Thank you, students. We will see in the next session.